Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to build passive income by creating and growing communities on Whop. Let's get started. First, sign up for a Whop account on their website. It's free to get started. Once you're logged in, click Create a Community and choose a niche you're passionate about, like fitness, investing, or gaming. Next, set up a subscription tiers for your community. You can be offered free access to a basic content and paid tiers for exclusive perks like live Q&As and downloadable resources or private channels. Whoop handles all the billing and security automatically. Promote your community by sharing your unique Whop link on social media, your website, or through collaboration. Whop also has built-in analytics to help you track your growth and earnings. To keep your community engaged and your income steady, schedule regular content, host events, and interact with members. The more value you provide, the more your community will grow. And that's it. You're now building a stream of passive income with a Whop. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments what kind of community you'd create. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.